Hello everyone! Mayong adlaw mga higala. For this video, I will be sharing my Choco Banana Muffin recipe. For the ingredients, we need 1 3/4 cup all-purpose flour, 1/2 cup cocoa powder, 1 tablespoon baking powder, 1 teaspoon baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1/2 cup brown sugar, and another 1/2 cup granulated white sugar, 3 pieces ripe bananas, 3 pieces whole eggs, 1/2 cup vegetable oil, 1/2 cup chocolate chips, and 1/2 cup cashew nuts. Mix in your dry ingredients, the flour, baking powder, baking soda, and your salt. Then your cocoa powder and yung dalawang sugar. Mix this one and then make a well at the center. Then you put your vegetable oil, eggs, and your ripe bananas. Mas hinog na banana, mas masarap i-bake. Once na-mix na lahat, you put half of your cashew nuts and half of your chocolate chips. Yung iba, later sa taas natin ilagay. Set aside, then let's prepare our muffin pans. Then get your ice cream scooper, 1 scoop each muffin. One dozen lang yung kaya nito. 1 dozen lang yung 1 recipe natin. Then, let's put yung natirang mga nuts and chocolate chips, let's put it on top. Then, let's bake this one around 30 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. There you go, our Choco Banana Muffins. For the ingredients, don't forget to visit Sweet House Baking Store here in Cagayan de Oro, Balingasag, or in Palawan. And don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Enjoy baking!